You're welcome to the part 2 of our study on the rules of Concord. Now we continue. The next principle says, all Concord. This is what I mean. When you come across all in Concord, this is the usage. When all means everything, a singular verb is used. But when all means all the people, a plural verb is used. Take this example. All is well with my soul. Not all are well with my soul. Example 2. All are already in the pitch. Not is already in the pitch. The next rule says mathematical facts such as subtraction, multiplication, addition, division, and so forth can be used with either singular or plural verb. Check the example now. 2 plus 3 equals 5 or equal 5, whichever way it goes. 7 multiplied by 5 is 35 or are 35. Both are correct. The next principle is every plus plural noun, plural number concord. What does this mean? When every precedes a plural, the next verb is plural. But when it precedes a singular, the verb is singular. See the following examples. Every 5 referrers attract a commission of $10. Not attract. See the word there, you have every 5 referrers. That is plural. So you go with plural verb that add no s. Attract. Every referrer attracts $2. Here you have every referrer singular, not every referrers. Every referrer attracts $2. Every man likes money. I'm sure you do. The next principle says plural number concord. Units or amounts usually take singular verb even if they appear to be in the plural form. Example, 10 liters of fuel is not enough for the journey. But $500 was not what I got. Not where. Do you get that? If there is anyone you do not understand, kindly send me a message in the comment section. Thank you. The next one says nominalization concord. When a collective name denoting category is used, usually an adjective turned into a noun phrase to refer to a class of person. The verb to be used must be plural. Example, the white is an adjective. The wise, the weak, the pure in heart, the poor, the rich, the wealthy, the successful, the gifted, the young in spirit, the handicapped, the helpless, and so on. See the example. The rich have to help the poor, not ask. The strong oppress the weak, not oppresses. You get that? Okay, we come to the next rule which says pluralia tantum. What does this mean? These nouns exist only in the plural. Wages, headquarters, scissors, shoes, funds, and many of what you have on the screen, they are examples of these nouns that appears and functions as plurals. Is that clear? Examples. My shoes are 40. You don't say my shoe is 40. My shoes are 40. The stars appear in the night, not appears in the night. You get that? Thank you. We are making progress. Pluralia tantum 2. On the other hand, there are some nouns that exist in plural forms but are used with singular subjects. Examples are as school subjects. You have physics, economics, mathematics. They all look plural in form, but actually they function as singular subjects. Diseases such as measles, mumps, and others also function as singular, although they appear plural. Titles such as The Bride's, Overcoming the Deadly Depression, Bride Destiny Ahead are some of the titles of books or other articles. There are some examples. 1. Physics is my favorite subject. Not measles usually affect people in their childhood. Not facts. You get that? Let us see the rules in certain uncountable nouns. Certain uncountable nouns that are collective in nature usually take a plural verb. Example: the police are expected to fight crime, not is expected. Okay? Aircraft provide an easy means of transportation, not provides. However, you can say a policeman is expected to fight crime. Airbus provides an easy means of transportation. That is away from the collectivity form or its nature. Cattle are bought and sold in the cattle market, not is bought. But you can as well say, cow was bought in the cattle market. You get that? Let's go to the next one. Indefinite pronoun concord. Indefinite pronoun concord. An indefinite pronoun concord should be used with a singular. What are examples of indefinite pronoun concord? I have everybody, something, everyone, everywhere, no one, nothing, nobody, nowhere, something, someone, somebody, anyone, anything, anybody, each, and so on. See the examples below. Nobody knows tomorrow. Everybody in the family is sick. You don't say, you don't use are, use is. Is that clear? Okay. Parentheses concord. What are parentheses concord? Should not be considered in choosing the verb. A parenthesis statement is an additional statement to what has been said. Examples below. The coach, not his player, is in the class. Not I. Not many of my students am in the class. Please, I want you to take note of this. When you have am, I did not say are. I use am because the main subject is I. And the verb must function with the main subject, which is I. So you say, I am in the class. You get that? Okay. The next one is the principle of proximity. When there is a list of nouns or pronouns at the level of the subjects, it is the nearest, or you can say the nearer noun, to the verb that determines the choice of verb. Example: if the team loses today's match, the players, not the captain, the goalkeeper, or the coach is to be blamed, not us. You get that? We got a lot of items. We have the players, we have the captain, the goalkeeper, or the coach. The coach is singular. You get that, and that is the closest to the verb. Either Judo or I am responsible for the damage to the windscreen. Not is. Nearer subject, there is I, and the verb that must correspond with that is am. Wow, thank you very much. We've exhausted a good list of concord. The rule of concord is something that may seem confusing, but I believe with these videos and this lesson, I believe you are a better student in the use of the rule of concord. For additional information, comments, or questions, please kindly go to the comment section, put down your question. I promise to get back to you as soon as possible. However, like this channel, subscribe, click the subscribe button, like it, share it, tell your friends. Thank you very much.